Welcome to Internet Marketing Academy. Learn internet marketing and grow your business with KOKOSHUNGSAN. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell for the latest updates. If you like it, please like, share it, and leave comments. Thanks for your support and for helping us make the world a better place. How to choose the best affiliate products to promote and earn passive income. When you first start your online business, the first and most obvious question you will ask yourself is, what am I going to sell? Points to consider when deciding the answer to that question are: is it light and easy to ship? Is it a digital good that is downloaded, ebook or software? Is it perishable or fragile? Does it have to be seen and held, designer fabrics, perhaps? Is there enough demand to make your venture profitable? Does it have little competition from large online companies, niche products? The last two characteristics are the ones that can be hard to pin down. Here is a generally accepted method of arriving at an idea of how heavy the demand and competition is for a product. If you have a special interest in some products that meet the above criteria, great, but don't limit your investigation just to items you like. You are looking for a niche product with relatively good demand, enough to make it profitable, but without heavy competition. One way to see what the demand is for products you are interested in is to look at search engines to see how frequently people search for the product you are considering. The result of all this research should be that one or more products will fit into a niche market, products with some demand, and relatively little supply. For the best results, focus on one niche product category, and offer a wide selection. That way, you can become the best online source for that particular category. For example, instead of offering general craft supplies, offer the widest possible selection of needlepoint kits. This strategy will also allow you to rank higher in search engines because you can optimize your pages for fewer, more specific, keywords. KOKOSHUNGSAN.UK provide multi-tier/multi-level affiliate tracking with up to 5 tiers. With the multi-tier affiliate tracking system, not only are you rewarded, you also get rewarded for encouraging other affiliates to join the affiliate program. We hope you will achieve your objectives. All the best to you. Learn more at uni24by7.com. KOKOSHUNGSAN pays you to have fun. KOKOSHUNGSAN.net